We are back with some breaking inputs coming in. The killer stampede in Hathras claimed 121 lives, and Congress Neta Udit Raj has now put the entire blame on the victims. Udit Raj says it was a gathering of Andh Bhakts. Listen in.
I don't think there's much of things to look into it, that the judicial probe is required. What happened is a stampede, and people who believe in superstition, the government of the day, be it the central government, state government, must educate them, train them, and just to get his charan ki dhool. So what has happened? Such things happen at many places, at Kumbh Mela, Ujjain, Sabarimala, at different places. Let us look for cure. The administration, I mean to say, that was sleeping there. Naturally, people are also at the fault. They are also at fault. They charan ki dhool पाने के लिए भगदड़ मची हुई है. What is there in it? क्या इसे, are they going to get a job, are going to get the education, are they going to get some health benefit?
Isha is joining us with more details. Isha, perhaps Udit Raj should say that to Rahul Gandhi, who went to Hathras and is demanding justice.
Right, Swati, so a clear contradiction coming out from the side of the Congress. At one side, Rahul Gandhi visiting Hathras, Rahul Gandhi stating that this is the inadequacy of the central government and the government, that they couldn't control it. And the other side, their own MP, their own leader, stating that this was indeed the fault of the people and there is no judicial probe that is also required. So Udit Raj has downplayed the entire incident, stating that the people were superstitious and that is why they went there. In fact, he also added that incidents like these keep happening and this is nothing new. He also referred to places like Ujjain, Mahakal as well, and that is where, and Sabarimala as well, and said that incidents like these happen there as well. So this is nothing out of the ordinary and no judicial probe is also required. So yes, currently as the UP police and the other authorities are on the hunt to look out for the Baba and the other accused as well, the Congress leader is stating that no judicial probe is required, and he is stating that it's normal and these people who did go to the satsang need to be educated to begin with. So pinning the blame on the victims is something that Udit Raj has done. So for him saying that the victims actually need education and they went for the charan ka dhool of the Baba. In fact, he also said that these people, what were they getting? Were they getting education out of it? They were not getting anything.
He did question the mismanagement and he did question the administration, but putting the entire blame on the victims, saying it's people's fault as well. They behaved like Andh Bhakts. Thank you very much, Isha, for getting us the details. With that, we're skipping into a short break. News and updates will continue.